Hello, Adam Menzel, Certified Advanced Rolfer, coming to you again from beautiful Boulder, Colorado. A few of my clients have reached out to me with a request for some simple things that can help bring ease and balance into the neck and shoulders. So what follows are a couple really simple movement exercises or stretches that I think you'll find useful. Let me know what you think. Reach out with any comments, and if you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know and I'll do my best to provide them to you in the future. Helping us with this first video is my daughter, Aliyah Menzel. This first one is going to be a simple stretch you can do for your anterior neck and kind of lateral neck, kind of targeting in on a muscle group called the scalenes. So Aliyah is going to anchor her right hand on the chair, and then she's going to take her head to the opposite side, using that arm as an anchor to prevent the shoulder from rising up. The goal here is a nice, easy elongation and stretch in the neck. Should not experience any real nervy sensations or any pain. If so, you're working a little bit too hard. So you notice as Aliyah is stretching there, she's exploring a little bit the various places where there might be tension, kind of turning the head a little bit and seeking out places that might be holding a little more. We can also bring in a few deeper breaths during that movement, because the scalenes are a secondary breathing muscle and they can be helped along by getting our respiration moving a little bit. And let's quickly go to the other side and just kind of try that out over there. Again, this time anchoring the left arm and tilting to the opposite side and exploring that pathway. Okay, go. The second thing we're going to do is going to be targeting this pathway from the hand up the forearm all the way up into the neck, kind of where we just left off stretching. This whole chain of things, both myofascial elements, nerves, blood vessels, is often really short when we're doing things like keyboarding, things that we do on a daily basis. So this is about reclaiming that length. So Aliyah, go ahead and start with that. So step one is to take your arms directly out to the side, not behind you, but really directly out to the side, reaching out through the fingertips, almost like you can imagine telescoping your arms out really wide, increasing your wingspan. So once you've established that position, making sure to continue to breathe nice and easily as you do this, the next movement is going to be to actually extend the wrists out a little bit, fingers go back, to bring a little bit more stretch to that whole chain from the anterior neck into the arm, forearm, wrist, and hand, and then stretching the palms out wide. Okay, as you can see from my hand, I'm not going behind me this way. This is not necessarily a stretch for the chest. It's really more of a stretch of this whole internal pathway. Yeah. So we're both stretching directly out, not back. Okay. And let's go ahead back to that position one more time. Now, when you're there, again, adding your respiration in as a way to augment this stretch and this movement. And then another thing you can do to explore is just find, with, again, the head tilt, finding wherever you might sense a restriction and just being very patient working with those areas that may be just a little hung up, a little restricted. Again, avoiding any kind of significant sensations. This should not be painful. You really want to be on the lookout for any numbness or tingling. That's telling you you're stretching the nerves just a little bit too fast, a little bit too much. I hope you found these useful. Reach out if you have any questions or any requests for future videos. Stay safe out there. I hope to see you in person very soon.